Of the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.